Perfect Surfaces, North America's leading supplier of rubber flooring and specialty surfacing. Our team of flooring experts is here to help with any project, big or small. Whether you're building a home gym or outfitting a full-sized arena, we'll help you complete your project on time and on budget. We're not your typical flooring store. We don't sell carpet, hardwood, or tile. Instead, we focus on resilient, high-performance flooring, designed for projects with unique needs. We offer solutions for sports and fitness, park and play, arenas and athletics, garages and shops, sports courts, and more. While we don't offer installation services, our products are DIY friendly and easy to install with just a few simple tools. We also offer custom court line painting and logo fabrication, so you can bring your dream court to life for basketball, pickleball, hockey, and more. With manufacturing facilities and warehouses across North America, we make sure your flooring arrives quickly and efficiently. When you choose Perfect Surfaces, you can take on any project with confidence, because, as our motto says, you stand on it, we stand by it.